The Agrieyes Halo wireless trailer lights provide a fully cordless lighting solution that is ideal for towing trucks, boats, and recreational vehicles without dealing with long wiring runs. Their dual mounting design lets you choose between strong, rubber-protected magnets or a more permanent screw installation, giving flexibility for different trailers and equipment. The bright light-emitting diode clusters handle tail, brake, turn, and license plate duties, while built-in reflectors help other drivers see you even when the lights are off. A long-range wireless link using a 2.4 GHz signal and integrated antenna keeps the lights responsive even on extended trailers or farm rigs. The transmitter includes both 7-pin round and 4-pin flat connectors, so it plugs into most factory tow sockets without extra adapters. Agrieyes backs the kit with a lengthy warranty and responsive support, which adds confidence if you rely on these lights for frequent towing or work use.